So many people have been asking me, how do you go live on TikTok? In this video, I'm gonna share with you guys what you need to have in place in order to go live on TikTok, and then the actual how-to steps. So this is gonna be as simple as it gets. Let's dive on in. Hey guys, my name is Rachel Pedersen. I'm a social media strategist, and I want to share with you how to go live on TikTok. So the first thing to keep in mind is that if you have ever been banned from live streams, there's a very good chance that you won't be able to go live in the future either. So just keep that in mind. Number two, you're going to have to make sure that you're in a country that allows live streaming. Number three, you need to be at least 16 years of age, if not 18, in order to get those paid gifts. By the way, if you want to learn more about paid gifts and live streaming tips, comment tips and gifts below. And number four, you need at least 1,000 followers on TikTok. So the first thing that you're gonna do to access lives, once all of those things are taken care of, is to open up TikTok. Then you're gonna select the little plus sign at the bottom of the screen. Wow, there's my face really close up. At the bottom, where normally you would toggle back and forth between 15 seconds and 60 seconds, what you're gonna go ahead and do is scroll all the way over to the right where it says live. Now, if you just hit 1,000 followers on TikTok, give it a couple hours or even 24 hours for the live stream option to show up. It does take a little bit of time sometimes for some people. But if it still doesn't show up, you may be having issues with one of the things that I shared before. So then you have the ability to change your profile picture, change the caption that comes along with your live stream. You could support a nonprofit. Above the go live button, you'll see that it says how many people are live right there and then, which is kind of cool. You can flip your camera, enhance it, add effects, share it, and even tweak some of the settings, including like mirroring your video so that it's real time. For example, everything is backwards right now because it's on the selfie cam. So then I would go ahead and hit go live. And that is how you live stream on TikTok. Now, I'm curious to hear from you. What do you want to learn about TikTok? As I've grown to almost 1 million followers on this platform, while being a mom of 3 over the age of 30, living in Minnesota, I've learned a few things and I want to hear from you. Where do you want support? Comment below and I will create some trainings for you totally for free here on this channel 3 to 5 times a week. If you've enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you like learning about social media, marketing, entrepreneurship, business, subscribe to my channel. Oh, and by the way, I put together for you 2 awesome resources in the bio beneath this video, including 300 plus ideas for TikToks that you can use today, either TikTok or Reels, they work on both, and also the TikTok starter pack, so you can focus on getting those first 1,000 followers. Check it out in the bio beneath this video. I will catch you guys later. Bye for now.